Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to change your profile photo and how to delete it if you want to set a profile and then to delete that one. So first you go and click on your name and then click on profile. After that you have the details, your details, your profile in the Moodle. So you will search for edit profile and then click on it. Here scroll down and then look for user picture, new picture, and then here you have the option to upload a photo either from your computer, recent files, or URL, or other platforms that you want to upload a photo. So upload a profile and then choose a file. So this will take you to your computer. Then choose the photo that you want to set it as your profile photo and then upload this file. Now you have a photo uploaded into the system, but you want to set it as your profile photo. You have to scroll and then click on update profile. This way your profile photo has been set or has been changed. If you want to delete this photo and set another or put another photo, then again you have to click on your name and then profile, edit profile, and if you scroll you will see that this is the your profile photo. If you want to delete it, then you have to click on the option of delete here, scroll down and then update your profile. By clicking on that you delete the photo. This is how you set a profile photo or to delete one.